I've read somewhere there's, I don't know if it's to do with homeschooling or home educating, but they've got to have a minimum of 12 hours of learning a week.
Load of rubbish. Where? Look at me.
Yeah.
No, it's neither. There is no such thing. So home education, once you get your head around it, it's not just the formal stuff, happens at every waking hour. There is no legal description of full-time education other than something along the lines of it taking up the majority of a large portion of the child's time. If you get homeschooling provided by the council, you might get 4 hours a week if you're lucky.
Yeah, I know, it's not much.
No, and then it's usually not suitable. So no, when it comes to home educating, it has to be, you have to describe how it's full time. But like I said, that could be we sit down and read for an hour every morning. We use the rest of the morning to learn topic work. We go out in the afternoons to groups or, historic places. You could say my child doesn't follow school term times and we do formal learning in the morning. Or if you're a complete unschooler, you could say that, they're learning all the time, all throughout the year. That there's different ways of explaining full time, but there is no hour limit minimum.
It sounds very, I think your templates will be very handy.
Yeah.
Because it's all down to what you write and how you write it.
Yeah, we would advise against writing specific hours because it limits the local authorities' thinking of how you're educating. If you say we do formal learning 10 while 2 every weekday of the year, yeah, that's a full-time education. But where's the informal stuff in that description? Is it actually describing a suitable education? Have you included playing with friends, going to groups, going ice skating or whatever it is your child. The local authority wants to see the bigger picture of a suitable education to the child. So yeah, that the report writing guide we've got helps you cover providing that information suit.
I think I saw the 12-hour thing on something someone sent to me, and their son was 17, and I think it's that post 16.
Okay, so that's for funding and benefits.
Yeah.
So to be entitled to child benefit, you've got to.
That was it.
Yeah, that would be completely separate because the child doesn't have to be in education after 16. So this is a benefit entitlement rule, not a law for educators.
Yeah, that was it. They were inquiring whether they can still get benefits and universal credits.
Yeah. So the benefits we explain on the website, we've got very specific wording that you need to say because despite our hard work, we have had wording changed and things and clarifications. They still don't quite understand what home education is. Still see it as needing to tick boxes, and it's so limited on what they need to know in specific words to be entitled. But yeah, that's all explained on the benefits section of the website.
Yeah, well, we might do. Okay. What we wanted to cover today was deregistering, local authority, and what is like home educating and what you do in the first initial bit. So informative, brilliant, amazing. It kind of like, right, I just want to know the nuts and bolts of everything, and you've just done that. Brilliant.
So just to add to all that, what people think home education is going to be like is not what you will do.
Yeah.
Don't spend months forcing your child to school while you make plans, while you print off things, buy books, buy materials. Don't do it. If your child's unhappy, unsafe, needs unmet, or you just want to home educate, do it. Those plans, trust me, I did it. Experience.
Yeah.
Those plans will be a waste of your time, because what your child becomes in them first few weeks and months will not be the same as what they were in school.